Okay, today we're going to be saying, is it proportional? And we're looking at tables. How do you tell if something is proportional from a table? Well, we have two different ways we can do this. One is by doing cross products. The other is by just doing y divided by x. In any case, you have to have things that are equal. So let's look at, first of all, let's try doing y divided by x. In this case, you would have 50 divided by 1. There's the 50, there's 1. You divide them, and you get 50. Okay, that's good, but the same thing has to happen every time. Well, what's 100 divided by 2? Well, of course you know that's going to be 50. And then we could do 150 divided by 3 and get 50. We could do 200 divided by 4, and guess what the answer is? 50. So if we get the same answer every time, yes, it's proportional. Okay, but there's another way we can do it. If you've already done the video where it shows you how to tell if two ratios are proportional, same thing works here. We're going to look at cross products. So if we look at this cross product and this cross product, we end up with 1 times 100 is 100. 50 times 2 is 100. We can do the same thing here where we look at these versus those, and we get 4 times 150 is 600, and 3 times 200 is 600. So either way works. I like the way where you do y divided by x, and that's the way I'm going to show you on the next few exercises. So, one of the rules about y divided by x, we just ignore when there are zeros. Don't even worry about the zeros. We'll start with the rest of the numbers. So in this case, we'll do y divided by x. Well, 2 divided by 1 is 2. So now for this to work, every other answer has to come out 2. What's 4 divided by 2? 4 divided by 2? Yep, it's 2. 6 divided by 3? That's 2. 10 divided by 5? That equals 2. How about 20 divided by 10? Well, that equals 2. So all you have to do is do y divided by x and make sure that you get the same answer every time. In a few videos from now, we'll actually have a name for that answer. Okay, here's the last one. In this case, neither one is labeled y and x. So we're going to be labeling this one x, and we'll label this one y. So once again, we're going to do y divided by x. Well, we do the first one, we get 4 divided by 1 equals 4. Then the next row is 6 divided by 2, which equals 3. Hey, wait a minute. I thought you said they had to come out to be the same answer every time. Yes, they do. So in this case, this one is not proportional. Not proportional. Okay? So that's very important to know. So all you have to do is do y divided by x, get the same answer every time. Yes, it's proportional. Get different answers. No, it's not proportional.